Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the INEVIFIT EROS Smart Body Fat Scale. You can get this product on Amazon for about $50. Check out the link in the description. The scale comes with batteries and a user manual. First, I install the batteries. Now I download the EROS Scale app. After starting the app, you just have to set it up and create an account. The app is very easy to use and shows you all important measurements. You can keep track of your measurements and view your progress. You can add new members and change your account settings. I tested the scale for about 2 weeks and I think it's a good product. It's very easy to set up and the app is easy to use. So if you're looking for a body fat scale, which you can connect to your smartphone and use with an app to keep track of your progress, I would recommend the INEVIFIT EROS Smart Body Fat Scale. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.